What is warehouse management?
Warehousing is the activities related to receiving, storing, and shipping materials to and from production or distribution locations. Warehouse management is the process, control, and optimization of warehouse operations from the entry of inventory into a warehouse or multiple warehouses until items are moved, sold, or consumed.
Warehouse goals. Effective use of space. Effective use of equipments. Effective use of labor. Maximize accessibility of all items. Protection of all items. Effective use of information. Protection of company assets. Maximize good handling. Minimize the company operating cost.
WMS logistics are integral when considering the strength of your supply chain. While the role of a warehouse is sometimes falsely viewed as a simple storage facility, this is far from the truth. Supply chain only functions as quickly and efficiently as its warehouse efficiency permits. Supply chains means implementing robust warehouse management software.
Key functions of warehouse management system. Warehouse management solutions come in many different types and cater to different types of organizations. Warehouse management systems are available as a standalone solution or as a part of a larger system like Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, and Supply Chain Management, SCM. Warehouse management software can also vary in complexity. Some of the simpler or free WMS solutions still rely on spreadsheets. However, the worlds of warehouse and inventory management are quickly moving away from these outdated modes. A growing number of SMBs are adopting some of the more complex systems to reap all the benefits that modern WMS solutions can offer. Types of warehouse. Private warehouse. Warehouse managed by the channel suppliers, manufacturers/traders, and resellers and are used exclusively for their own distribution activities. Private warehouses are typically owned by large retail corporations or companies that privately store goods. Warehousing facilities demand an upfront, capital investment to build and maintain. Warehouse may be built on-site near manufacturing or off-site. Established companies that are willing to make a financial investment in the storage of their own goods. Warehouses owned and managed by wholesalers and retailers close to their selling centers. Warehouses constructed by manufacturers near their production units. Warehouses taken on rent by retail stores. Retailers may have several regional warehouses to cater the needs of their stores. Public warehouses. Warehouses are owned by government and semi-government bodies and are made available to private firms to store goods on payment of rent. Public warehouses are usually set up to help small traders who are not in position to have their own warehouses due to financial constraints. A public warehouse is a great option for companies with short-term warehousing needs. Type of storage facility is great as it allows you to deal with overflow until you know you are ready for an additional warehouse.
Distribution warehouses. Distribution warehouses are used to store and sell large quantities of goods. Distribution centers house goods from multiple manufacturers that in turn sell to retailers. Goods are usually housed for a short period of time, in some cases for just days at a time. The distribution center is a key part of the supply chain, so it's important to set it up correctly. Storage facility usually has large space, which enables fast movement of large quantities of stores for short period. These warehouses basically by nature serve as points in the distribution system at which goods are procured from different suppliers and quickly transferred to various customers. These centers provide computerized control, which make movement of goods quick, fast and reliable. Automated warehouses. Warehousing industry has taken advantage of the convenient technology as well. Automated warehouses are, as you've probably guessed, nearly completed automated. With very little manpower required for supervision, these warehouses operate using the latest software technology, cranes, and carriers to maintain and carry out their duties.
Climate-controlled warehouse. Warehouses store many different products, often including those that need to be kept at a specific temperature. Items that require special handling conditions should be kept in a climate-controlled warehouse. Range from freezing temperatures to keep frozen products intact to humidity-controlled environments for delicate botanical products and even dirt-free facilities to keep sensitive computer equipment safe. Proudly serving the retail, healthcare, financial, non-profit, hospitality, and commercial industries for years, you can trust us for all of your fulfillment services. Fulfillment Center. A fulfillment center is a third-party, 3PL, warehouse where warehousing, order processing, picking, packing and shipping for e-commerce partners is handled. Fulfillment centers are used by many e-commerce merchants today to outsource their storage and shipping of goods. In this model, sellers ship goods to the fulfillment center, and when an order is placed, the fulfillment center ships out the order. This eliminates the need for growing e-commerce retailers to maintain their own warehouse.